Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, the 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody Jailbreak is explained. Before I do, I want to remind you that if you find this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And real quick before I get started, I want to remind you to take a look at my 2021 Dodge Challenger trim levels video. I've put the link in the description below. The Dodge brand is breaking all the rules, unlocking new, unrestricted personalization options with a new jailbreak model for the 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody. The jailbreak model unlocks color combination ordering restrictions and adds new factory custom options to deliver enthusiasts the freedom to create a Dodge performance vehicle that perfectly fits their individual style. Roughly half of all Dodge customers modify their vehicles. For those looking for increased performance, Dodge offers an entire line of factory-backed direct connection performance parts through what they call Dodge Power Brokers, which are elite dealers who are experts in performance. But for those looking for a unique appearance, Dodge is letting customers run free through the styling archives. Most of the parts and pieces they've used over the years will be available, adding a few new ones and letting customers build their own one-of-one. So if you're dreaming about owning a Stinger Yellow Challenger with brass monkey wheels, hammerhead gray seats, blue Brimbos, and red badges, I'm not sure you should, but Dodge will build it for you. The new jailbreak option package for the 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody models unlocks ordering restrictions, freeing owners to mix and match from a full menu of features. Jailbreak models also include a unique jailbreak badge on the instrument panel, and output on the SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody is bumped to 807 horsepower thanks to a revised powertrain calibration. The jailbreak model for the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody lets option combinations run wild in more than 20 categories, including 7 options for seats, stripes, and wheels, 6 brake caliper color options, 5 exterior badging finishes, 4 choices each of steering wheels, seatbelt colors, and floor mats, and much more. In addition to unlocking previously restricted color combinations, the Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody Jailbreak also unleashes new jailbreak exclusive content options, including hammerhead gray Laguna leather seats, hammerhead gray floor mat accents, hammerhead gray, sepia, and demonic red seatbelts, leather steering wheel and Alcantara steering wheel options with white SRT logo, copper weave carbon fiber bezel finish, deck lid stripe and wide body side stripes, brass monkey satin chrome and red exterior badging finish, chrome fuel door finish, blue and yellow brake calipers, and 20 by 11 inch warp speed satin carbon and lightweight low gloss granite wheels. Enthusiasts looking for inspiration can utilize recipes directly from the Dodge Product Design Office and available in the Jailbreak Order Guide, including old school and brass funky ordering combinations, or let their imaginations run wild by configuring their own personalized combination. The old school Challenger Jailbreak model features an F8 green exterior dressed up with 20 by 11 inch warp speed satin carbon wheels, satin chrome Hellcat grille, fender and deck lid badging, gunmetal gray brake calipers, a chrome fuel door, hammerhead gray floor mat accents and seat belts, dark engine turn aluminum bezels, leather steering wheel with a white SRT logo, and a twill headliner. The brass funky Challenger Jailbreak combines a hell-raising exterior with sepia Laguna leather seats, sepia floor mat accents, carbon fiber bezels, Dynamica suede headliner, and an Alcantara steering wheel with a white SRT logo on the interior. The exterior also includes 20 by 11 inch brass monkey wheels, brass monkey Hellcat grille, fender and deck lid badging, orange brake calipers, carbon dual stripes, and black exhaust tips. Additional recommended ordering combinations include Red Dawn, the Classic, Old Glory, Yin Yang, and Yeller. The Red Dawn Challenger SRT Jailbreak displays a Tour Red exterior finish that pops with the low-gloss black wide-body side stripe. Complete with midnight metallic Hellcat badges, there's nothing meaner. The Classic Challenger SRT Jailbreak boasts silver dual stripes and 20-inch satin carbon warp speed wheels that bring an iconic flair to this indigo blue finish with red Hellcat badges. Drive the Old Glory Challenger SRT Jailbreak build with freedom on these 20-inch carbon black lightweight wheels. Wear this white knuckle finish with blue dial stripes and red Hellcat badges for a tribute to American muscle. Choose the dark side for the Yin Yang Challenger SRT Jailbreak with carbon dual stripes, 20-inch low gloss black warp speed wheels, and a pitch black coat of paint. And Yeller is finished with pitch black paint, a satin black hood, roof, deck lid and rear spoiler, and 20-inch carbon black lightweight wheels, elevated with a burst of color from yellow brake calipers. The 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody Jailbreak has a starting MSRP of $85,525. The new Jailbreak models are part of Dodge Neverlift, a 24-month event during which the brand will reveal new vehicles, accessories, and initiatives. Among these reveals will be the brand's first electric muscle car, slated to arrive in 2024. If there is one brand that has managed and succeeded in carving out its own path, Dodge is clearly the one name that stands on top. This is thanks to the ambitious and outrageous vehicles they have managed to formulate and succeed with. Configuration options for Dodge vehicles are endless, but now they are taking it up a notch with the introduction of the new Jailbreak edition.